there, this is Anastasia Holmes, better known as Coach Ace. I want to welcome you to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by this video today. In today's video, I have an awesome question that came into me from my email, and it was from one of my subscribers that asked a question about how to make money blogging. And the thing is, you know, they're blogging in different varieties. There's blogging for hobbies, and then there's blogging for leads. So I'm going to break down for you how to literally make money blogging for yourself as a beginner, okay? Now here's the thing, most marketers who start out with online marketing lack the right kind of mindset about building a successful business on the internet. And I'm going to go over this a little bit more in detail, okay? In the very beginning, when I first started with blogging, I had no clue what I was doing. And as a matter of fact, I didn't know anything about monetizing. I created blog posts. I thought I would write posts about things that people were interested in. And at the same time, I was writing posts that were more for hobbyists versus making money. So I created content around makeup and, you know, cleaning products and things like that because I was a network marketer at the time. So I really wasn't aware what I was doing. And then I looked at my results and I was just like, damn, why am I not getting any sales? Like they said, you can make money blogging. So here's the thing. In the very beginning, the moment that you start out, okay, you aren't going to have much going for you in the very beginning when you first get started with blogging because you don't have these three things: trust, authority, and credibility, right? So what I teach my students and team members is they must establish these three things as fast as they can when they get started with content marketing. And that's what blogging is. It's a medium that you could use to create content. So you can use your blog to brand yourself as an authority in your own niche and then build the relationships, okay, with your loyal readers and subscribers. You can also establish your credibility as you're learning new skill sets along the way within your niche, doing them and taking implementation actions yourself, and then teaching it, right, through the content. When you're creating content, you're teaching it through the content. And you've pretty much seen most of this stuff on my blog. When you actually go to it, you'll see stuff that I'm teaching, you'll see videos, and you'll see blog posts. So you have to teach what you are learning and based on your experience and the journey as you're going through it when you're getting started. Okay, does that make sense? Now, it's a marketing strategy, guys. It's a marketing strategy known as attraction marketing. If you haven't heard about attraction marketing, go Google it. You'll learn. Okay, attraction marketing is pretty powerful in today's marketplace. With online marketers, we are learning and making money online leveraging this strategy known as attraction marketing. And when it's executed properly, you can attract the right target audience and make sales with your blog. You can make sales multiple venues, multiple ways, but I'm just talking about with your blog. Now, the other thing is you want to make sure that you understand that blogging is a long-term marketing lead generation strategy. So I'm just going to keep this very simple, but I'm going to also keep it very real. You cannot expect to make money fast with your blog. I'm sorry to tell you the truth, but I have to, because I don't want you to believe all those other people that are out there telling you the bullshit lie and the untold truth that blogging is a long-term strategy. It is not something you get rich quick over, because here's the thing, when you first create your blog, you're not being seen. You're not known on Google. They don't know you. The search engines don't even know that you exist. You have to do a couple of things in place and have your blog set up a certain way so that you are found on the search engine based on your content. So blogging doesn't work the way you've been told, okay? And that's probably why you're here on this video, right? Hearing my voice and listening to what I have to say. Other bloggers have niches like fashion and gaming, and they'll tell you that you can make money really fast and get rich quick and make thousands of dollars, but in the network marketing industry, doesn't work that way. It takes time, okay? And it requires a bit of work. So if you intend to make money with blogging, okay, if you intend to make money with blogging with your blog, then we got to set the stage straight, okay? We got to set the stage straight first, all right? First of all, you have to have a blog, right? And the thing is, I want you to think about using your blog as a medium, like I said in the very beginning. You want to use it as a medium to generate passive income. Passive income means you can become an affiliate of companies and products and services, and for every referral that clicks on your link and buys through your company, basically pays you a percentage override known as a commission. let's take one of my affiliate offers, for example. I have an autoresponder. When somebody opts into my list, they go to my autoresponder. My autoresponder is something that I use to manage my list. This autoresponder, I am an affiliate with, right? I'm not only just a customer, but I'm also an affiliate with it, and I pay monthly. Now, here's the thing. I use this to run my business online. They host my email list, and they have an affiliate program which works when you refer another customer through your Aweber affiliate link. Okay? Now, here's what happens. They have a trial for $1. This $1 trial, okay, is for new customers to come and test the system out. But to remain a monthly customer, if they want to upgrade, it's $19. Now, depending on the size of their list, it will go up. But here's the cool part. Here's the cool part. That means if their list grows, then basically your income grows, right? As the affiliate. If they're still paying every month, so will your affiliate commissions will be actually going up. Basically, that's how it works. Let's take another type of affiliate. Let's say hosting, right? My blog is hosted and it's actually on a server. I am affiliate with the hosting service itself. I'm a customer and I'm affiliate with it. I have an affiliate with it. So if I refer customers to my affiliate link, right, what do you think is going to happen? They will pay me an override, like I said. And with this particular affiliate link, with hosting, it's a little different. It's a little bit more money. So I can make anywhere from $50 to $125 per sale. I use SiteGround, okay? And if you want the access to that, I'll put the link in the description for both Aweber and SiteGround. And they pay weekly. Now, let's go to the screen. And I want to show you something that's really going to blow your mind, what I'm about to share with you, okay? And you probably didn't even know this, but you need to know this. And I discovered this, and this is our blog, aceandrich.com, right? And you see these tabs, okay? Let me show you. Let's go to the screen. Okay, here we are. You see here, this is aceandrich.com. This is our blog. Now, right now, I'm currently logged in. So things are going to look a little different up top. This bar is normally not here. But when you go to, aceandrich.com, you're going to see our homepage. At the very top, you're going to see different tabs. Each tab is really placed strategically. This is what it means by being a digital marketer. It's strategically placed for a reason, and they are directed my traffic to go somewhere. So if somebody wanted to get leads, if they click on this link, what will happen is it will take them to this page known as a lead capture page. And this will go to a specific offer that I am an affiliate with. The person enters their email address, and once they go through it, they will see what is on the other side. They will see the offer. Here's another example. Let's go back. If they click on get traffic, this is another offer specifically on traffic. They click the button, they want the info, put in their information, click get instant access now. They'll go on the other side and they'll see the offer being explained, right? This is how it works, guys. This is how we are literally monetizing our blog. Here's another site, create a business you love. Now this is another offer. And with this one, they have to click the orange button, get instant access, enter their email address, and then when they get taken to the next page, they will see that offer. So there's multiple offers that you can see on our blog. Now, let me share with you something else that's powerful on how to monetize your blog. You go to the tab that says blog, and now you're going to see different articles that I've written around my videos, and some articles that doesn't have videos. But notice on the right-hand side of the screen. On the right-hand side, I have different things known as banner ads or widgets. These widgets are linked to my affiliate offers. So if somebody wants to learn how to get paid every single week, make anywhere from $33 to $3,000 commissions, then they can click here and they'll get the simple 4-step formula with this particular offer. See right here? Okay. Now, if they want to look and get a step-by-step proven blueprint to get more traffic, leads, and sales, this is another offer. They click on this link and it takes them to this particular page. Then we have another one here, okay? This is an ebook. Now, ebooks are pretty popular, right? So this ebook, for example, they click on this book. It takes them to a page. They put in their information. It takes them to the other side. They see what's on the other side, and it's more information about getting the book, right? Really, really awesome. So that's what I wanted to show you, right? And this is a great way to monetize your blog. Now, I want you to take a look at something. Let's go back to the home page. You need to understand when it comes to making money with blogging, especially as a beginner, you need to brand yourself. Notice how I do not have any company or product or company like program names in the header of my blog. I am branding me. I am branding Ace and Rich, right? That is our basic brand. You, on the other hand, when you're creating your blog, you want to brand yourself. So your picture should be up there, not your companies, not your products or services. People join people. Remember that. They don't join companies or products. This is why it's so important to leverage the power of your blog. Now, I learned this in the past when I used to be a network marketer. I made the mistake by becoming a network marketer and trying to market my company and programs online and taking them to my replicated distributor website. I lost tons of opportunities to get a sale because the company did not know anything about online marketing. So if you're in that situation, I'm highly advising you to learn how to get this up and going. You would be better off in getting better results with leads and sales and building your own list by having your own blog. Now, if all of this made total sense to you and it really, really is blowing your mind, like I said, let me know in the comments. Absolutely, let me know, because here's the thing. I want to teach so much more. I love blogging. I really do. I love it, and I love teaching other marketers on how to leverage their blog and monetize their blog so that they can create income passively. Now, remember when I said, let's come back to the full screen here. Remember when I said that I wanted to tell you about something really important about monetization? You have to understand, if you are a network marketer and you're marketing products like health and wellness, anti-aging, weight loss, cleaning, makeup, whatever the niche is, listen to me very carefully. I sold products like that in the past, and I only made at the time, maybe $10 or $20 per item that was sold, and pretty much made that in volume. What I learned was that there was a whole new world for me to discover known as high ticket. And high ticket can also be monetized through your blog. And to tell you something, I have made over 6 figures with my blog. Now, how did I do that? And I'm going to share that with you in this video. Okay, let's say, for example, you're in network marketing. You're an MLM, okay? And you have a health and wellness product. And that product sells for, I don't know, $40 a bottle, and you make a $10 commission from it. On the other hand, I have a high ticket offer, and that pays me $1,000 per sale. Now I ask you this, which product would you prefer to sell? I'll wait. That's kind of like a no-brainer, right? If you said high ticket, the high ticket one, Ace, you're exactly right. That's exactly what I did. And I teach my team members how to do this on autopilot. So the truth is, if you want to monetize your blog and earn money, you want to focus on learning the skills, the right skills, on how to market high ticket versus selling small ticket items. It would take you absolutely 1,000 bottles in volume to sell to make $1,000. For me, all I need is just one sale. Now what's the secret behind that? Let me show you. Take a look at this real quick. Let's go to the screen, and I'm going to show you one of my high ticket affiliate programs that I'm a part of, known as the Super Affiliate Network. Now I'm going to go and log into my account here, and I'm going to share with you something. I'm fully transparent here when I tell you this, okay? You got to see this. We're going to go into my back office. And just so you know, you see some very extravagant numbers on the screen. That is my actual earnings with this particular offer. I have other high tickets, but this is my primary one. And I'm the #1 top earner in this company and program. But I want to show you this right here. Let's go to Let's go to the products and let's go to the Pro Vault. Remember when I said that all I need is just one sale? Take a look at this. There is actual upgrade within this particular program that is a high ticket that is going to pay out $1,000 per sale. This is what I'm talking about, okay? It is easier for someone like me who is a super affiliate to sell an item that I can make $1,000 per sale versus trying to sell itty bitty little small items for like $10, you know what I'm saying, for commission. You know, I want you to get the distinguishment between the two, okay? And that's why I wanted to show you that. So let's come back to the full screen. Okay, cool. Let's do this. So don't use your blog to brand your product or your company. Use it only to brand you, and treat your blog as a business, especially if you're trying to monetize it, okay? My name is Anastasia Hollers, better known as Coach Ace, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video today. Comment below your thoughts and what was the greatest takeaways that you got from this lesson today. Be sure to like this video, smash that likes button, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's your first time here and you're seeing our channel for the first time. There's lots of great other videos here that you can check out, but don't forget, click the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live. We do a lot of great training, especially at 7 o'clock every day, Monday through Friday, Rich and I, and you get to meet us and ask us questions. So with that being said, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.